Biodiversity is a term that represents total variety of all life on Earth. That's a big thing to sum up. Thousands of different habitats, millions of different species, billions of different individuals, and trillions of characteristics they all have. The total biodiversity of our country is immense, which is a good thing because the more biodiversity, the more secure the life on Earth is, including humans. So let's get along in the journey to the world of rich biodiversity in three of the marvelous states in India.
Biodiversity of Uttar Pradesh. The state of UP is represented by 56 species of mammals, 552 birds, of which 24 are globally threatened, 47 reptiles, 19 amphibians, and 79 fishes. Some of mammalian species that are regarded endangered are swamp deer, gigantic dolphin, and Asian elephant. In terms of birds, Uttar Pradesh is home to various species such as painted storks, black and white necked storks, Sarus cranes. The Sarus crane has been declared as the state bird. The flora of the state is composed of a total of 3,987 species, of which 2,711 are higher plants, representing 18% of the country's angiospermic flora. 10 species are endemic. The common trees are sal, teak, kanju, bamboo, jamun, neem. The fauna of UP consists of tigers, cats, antelopes, deer. The state has one national park and 23 wildlife sanctuaries covering 5,712 km square, which is 2.37% of the state's geographical area. The largest wildlife reserve in the state is Dudhwa National Park, that is situated in the district of Lakhimpur Kheri. It stretches in an area of nearly 500 square kilometers. Tigers and rhinos are the two animals that are worth seeing in this park. Apart from Dudhwa, the other very important reserve is Chandraprabha Sanctuary, that is situated in the district of Mughal Sarai. Equally populous is Nawab Gunj Bird Sanctuary near Lucknow. This bird sanctuary boasts of some of the rare bird species in India. Among others, pochard and shoveler can be found in abundance in this park. Let's take a look at the biodiversity of Arunachal Pradesh. First, we will take a look at the wildlife of Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh proudly enjoys the distinction of having the big four cats, namely tiger, leopard, clouded leopard, and snow leopard in its jungle. In addition, the state is also home to two endangered feline species, golden cat and marble cat. Regarding avian varieties, over 500 species are found in Arunachal Pradesh, with a notable number being highly endangered and rare. Species like white-winged duck, monal, etc. are not found anywhere except here. Arunachal Pradesh also has a large variety of medicinal plants. These are Anthrographis paniculate, Aquilia agalocha, Discoria floribunda. Biodiversity of Meghalaya. First, we will talk about the animals of Meghalaya. In Balpakram National Park, the red panda, tigers, elephants, bison, black deer, leopards, and sambar deer are found. In Siju Bird Sanctuary, the Siberian duck, grey hornbill, and peacock pheasant are found. Plants of Meghalaya. The floral diversity of Meghalaya is well reputed for its richness and has been a center of attraction for many botanists. The forests of Meghalaya are exceptionally rich in epiphytic flora comprising ferns, lichens, mosses, orchids, gingivirs, etc.
Now, I will tell you about the reasons for the decline of biodiversity. Biodiversity is deteriorating in many places because of deforestation and habitat loss, climate change, overexploitation, invasive species, policy problems, pollution and global warming, and loss of ecosystem resilience. Prevention measures adopted are restoring damaged ecosystem and endangered species, creating conservation incentives, promoting public education, reducing invasive species, habitat restoration, captive breeding and seed banks, reducing climate change, purchasing sustainable products, and enhancing resilience.
So, we hope you enjoyed this journey of biodiversity. We would like to express our sincere gratitude to our teachers and fellow classmates for the support and patience. Thanks a lot.